Hey everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm here to share with you guys my slimline scene card that I made for Tina's Cute Critter Halloween Challenge. I had posted a prior video of my unboxing of my collab package from Tina, who's the Scrappin Rabbit. And then I subsequently posted a video sharing the 2 candy wrappers and the tag that I made. And this is the last video sharing with you guys the whole process of how I created the slimline scene card. I'm really excited about how this came out. So without further ado, here we go. So I'm going to first share with you guys how I Copic colored all 3 of the costumed puppies from the Fun Stampers Journey Costumed Cuties stamp set that was in my collab package. As you can see, I'm coloring up this little corgi Dracula as if he's got the normal markings of a corgi with kind of brown overall coloring and some white or warm gray, pale warm gray white areas. And then for his little cape, I've decided to give it a red inside and a black exterior. So you see me just coloring up the cape and then adding some highlights. I've really sped this up, so if you're interested in the exact colors that I'm using, please check the link in the description box below where I link to my blog post and I go through all of those details and list every color that I use for each of the puppies. But as you can see, I've kind of abbreviated the coloring here. I just wanted to show you how I colored up this little pirate like my Babaloo. And I'm adding highlights with a white gel pen. This is a Signo Uniball gel pen. And then for the card base, I'm using some Tim Holtz Distress ink in peacock feathers, I believe, and chipped sapphire to give kind of a twilight evening sky. And I'm just blending super fast here on this video. And then I decided I'm going to splatter on some thinned out white acrylic paint, and I'm splattering it on with a toothbrush. And then I decided I'm going to add a little bit of mustard seed to get a sunset look on the horizon. These are the dies that I used for this card. You just see me marking off how much of the dies will take up on this cardstock. It's actually a scrap. I've used the other side, but I'm just blending on some Tim Holtz Distress ink. And then I'm showing you guys the grassy area that I've blended on with, I believe, peeled paint and forest moss. Like I said, all the colors will be listed in my blog post. And you can see that off camera, I die cut that grassy foreground. And I'm only using one of the trees that I die cut, and I cut it in half so that each of the left and right sides of the card will be kind of framed out by half of the tree. So it's kind of like the tree is off the edge of the card. And then off camera, I cut out this spooky house from Diamond Dies, and that's going to be in the background because these little puppy trick-or-treaters that are popped up on foam dots are going to be headed toward that spooky house trick-or-treating. To cover up some of the splattering mess that I made, I'm using some of the glittered bats. And then to add some extra sparkle for that night sky, I'm adding some starry sequins that were also in my collab package. And these are some close-ups of the completed card. It's super fun to make scene cards, and this slimline format was great to create enough room for all 3 of the puppies. And this is my completed slimline card. If you enjoyed this process video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Tina's Cute Critter Challenge and play along. It's really easy. All the rules will be linked in the description box below, and also the link to Tina's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful crafty day.